Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x plus y where x plus xy plus y is equal to 54 and x and y are natural number. Now from our given equation x plus xy plus y is equal to 54, or taking common x from first two terms we can write x times 1 plus y plus adding 1 to both sides we can write 1 plus this y is equal to 1 plus 54. This 1 and this 1 will cancel out from both sides. Or taking common 1 plus y, we can write 1 plus y times x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 54 is 55. Or rearranging left side, we can write x plus 1 times, rearranging it, y plus 1 is equal to, for natural number 55 can be written as 1 times 55 or 5 times 11. As x and y are natural number, so x plus 1 is greater than 1. Similarly, y plus 1 is also greater than 1. So x plus 1 times y plus 1 cannot be 1 times 55. So this term is equal to 5 times 11. Now comparing these two, we can write x plus 1 is equal to this 5, then y plus 1 is 11, or x plus 1 is equal to 11, then y plus 1 is 5. Now adding these two equations, we can write x plus 1 plus y plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 11 for both of these cases. Or x plus y plus 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 5 plus 11 is 16. Or taking this 2 to right side, we can write x plus y is equal to 16 minus 2. So the value of x plus y is equal to 14. So this is the value of x plus y. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.